Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, let me take off my glasses because I've been getting pressured to do this one in my comment section for a long time. I'm doing it. As promised, the last two personal comment, I promised that I will be doing it. So, here I am. Young Teflon, Daily Duppy. Got some sound effects right now. Yeah. So, without further delay, we're going to jump in over there and see what the G have to say. Young Teflon, pick up yourself, my G. First, I listen to one of you. Song them like this. So, let's go.
I don't drink Stella or Hoochie. Only hot water or Henny with the fellas like Cootie.
Man, I tell you, say, yo, listen me. Me not drink Stella, brother. Them there's some little free fraff thing, brother. The boys are telling us them drink big liquor. Alright, let's go, man. Let's go.
Trini trying to lead the whole nation. I'ma send the boys with the burners, just send the location.
Yeah.
I don't like how you in my business.
Hold on. What did the editor put Dave this a while ago? Did Dave sing a song about location or something like that? Leave in the comment section, cause me not hear that one there.
I'ma send the boys with the burners, just send the location. I don't like how you in my business. Told my guy link me, came with a limp and a biscuit. All around the clock trying to risk.
Came with a limp and a limp biscuit. Come on, man.
M fix and mash like Dexter, swear he a whiz kid. Act known to blast the revolver. Keep 2 masks, one for robberies and one for the Rona. Back in
Him keep 2 masks. One for the Rona and one for the robberies. Definitely.
Hindsight, now we older, living life in the rear view or looking over your shoulder. New stamps came on them boxes. I don't really dance with the wolves while you ran with the foxes. Intricate the plan, then we plot. Repeat picking peppers, but Jimmy never jammed on the job. I remember summer days we used to sit on the grass. Now it's getting money days when you just sit on your ass. All the niggas chasing
All me takes a long. For react to this. Fuck!
Summer days we used to sit on the grass. Now it's getting money days when you just sit on your ass. All the niggas chasing clout, I just sit and I laugh. How you planning for the future if you live in the past? When they ask me where I'm from, I say London Zoo. Cause I grew up round the 8s, voice husky too. Must be nice, fresh set, must be new. When she said she loved me, I said I love me too.
What? Yo. When she said she loved me, I say, yeah, I love me too. Oh, my God. Dog. Imagine. She said, babe, I love you. I say, yo, I love me too. That will fuck up any girl meds. Bro. Jeez, let's go.
Toxic traits, 32s, Glocks and 8s. Point drank out the seal with the doctor's tape. Popping molly with the Mac that ain't got no safe. I swear to Allah, I'm done with them junkie ways. But you know me still trilling like the clothesline. Scott Hole on the ball when it's goal time. Still pissed off, Boris changed the road signs.
Still pissed off cause Boris do what?
Scott Hole on the ball when it's goal time. Still pissed off, Boris changed the road signs. Your bars came from a goal spot, I wrote mine. Left jail, now my
Your bars came from a ghost, but I wrote mine. Your bars came from a ghost, but so basically a ghostwriter I write for you. Me write mine myself. You can't tell me nothing. Suck your mother. What?
Off, Boris changed the road signs. Your bars came from a gold spot, I wrote mine. Left jail, now my niggas eating good meals on good wheels, courtesy of and budge deals. Got my bones hanging out where the crooks chill, where they ain't got bodies but they will kill. These rappers don't want me in their sessions. Car burn booths and I'm known to bring a weapon.
These rappers don't want me in them session. So basically I say, yo, rapper fear me. Rapper fear me, dog. Rapper fear me. Because me burn down the booth and me bring weapons. My dress. My dress. Let's go.
Stove work, gotta hit it like it's Tekken. Turn it so solid like 21 seconds. Living life on the run, how I stay on the low. Only talk more fire on the pay as you go. Got the west side grab from the east connect. And when the tugs roll deep, I'm trying to screech the tech. Used to crash all them parties with the nasty crew. Trying to shoot one of them, you gotta blast me too. Could've been.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. He's going in, bro. He might go in at some blood clot thing and say it's dog. Shut up. He might go in at something that's right now.
Crash all them parties with the nasty crew. Trying to shoot one of them, you gotta blast me too. Could've been January, we still marching through. Put the south on my back, they didn't ask me to.
The man said it could have been January. We're still marching through. January come before March. But we don't care. We don't care which. We still play on the words with the month them. Bumbleclot.
Put the off-white tape on the MCQ. And the airplane seats in the Bentley too. Shooting dice with the G's on the ends with booze. You know the house always wins. What you spend, you lose.
Well, on the man, I'm not gonna make that one and just pass some man. I have to get some lighter. Lighter. Yo. All me takes a long to react to this Daily Duppy. The guys that point me to this one, thank you. Thank you.
Yo. Christian Dior. Runners. Wore them once to my show. Now they ain't Chris anymore. Aye, grab me a handful and
Christian Dior. Read them once to my show. Now them not Chris anymore. Chris, them not Chris anymore. Christian Dior. Read them once to my show. Them not one time I read them.
Runners. Wore them once to my show. Now they ain't Chris anymore. Aye, grab me a handful and dash till I can't grip anymore. Money. I linked that girl on a Sunday, she ain't Christian anymore. Said she ain't Christian anymore. Alexander McQueen. Vintage. Only answer the phone for the paper, hoes get answer machine. Hello?
Why? Question to the British public, to the people who listen to them type of music. Why this song don't have more views? Why this Daily Duppy don't have a lot more views than a lot of these crazy that Daily Duppy do? What am I say? Daily Duppy a bad brother. No joke. Bad Daily Duppy. Bad.
This clip look like a trailer. Ops ain't last in the scene. I was 16, got banned from prom, so I danced with the fiends.
Yo, I was 16, so I got banned from the prom. Prom after school, like when you finish school, you got your prom. But him say, yo, me get banned from the prom, so I dance with the fiends, me dance with the crackhead, me dance with the cokehead them. So basically, I tell you, I'm outside that juggle, me outside that hustle. When you there prom, me outside that hustle. Jeez.
I dance with the fiends.
Yeah.
The way bro handle the handle is madness, man should have seen it. The routes that we took weren't seen it, did it like Cam really mean it. Trust me. Lifestyle Mac 10s and diamonds. OT spots and uptown dining. In the charts we climbing. And my teams got used to the violence. No cap, I can sleep through the sirens. 2 bracks in a truck with mileage. We ain't paying no violence. Like show me the risk, I'll take it. Like show man the move, we'll shake it. He was living like a king them time when we left, he was living on basic.
Oh my gosh, this guy's a monster, bro. Young Teflon. Take off the young off of any man that's called Teflon, brother. Take off the young off of your name and just call yourself Teflon, bro. Call yourself Teflon, bro. No joke.
Aye. Swear down and get goosebumps anytime I tell them stories. Me and Loops in the trap, that's gory. Now we like Tony and Paulie. My young niggas with the big bells, you don't wanna meet them surely. Don't wanna cardio 20 past 4. That's 2 hands on a 40. Slide back or revolve it. Show me the problem, I solve it. Grow it, throw it. I show it, you take it, you owe it. If you know, then you know it. Smooth gangster, I tell it like a poet. 09 when we brand the Tech 9. Same size as a bottle of Moet. I move round in a pivot. You ain't gotta show me the life, I live it. I'm with my dog from Tivoli Gardens. He just wanna sit around and drill it.
Thank what is up? Yo, the man said him dogs them from Tivoli Garden, dog. Tivoli Garden is West Kingston, not in the brother. It's not a normal place in the dog. So if him are rolling in dogs them from Tivoli Garden, brother, trouble in the brother. Cause the man they make it show like a rain in the brother.
I move round in a pivot. You ain't got to show me the life I live it. I'm with my dog from Tivoli Gardens. He just wanna sit round and drill it.
Yeah.
Used to ride round on disc brakes. When we used to go disco, big star 9 that'll make man's wrist shake. The man came round with an 8 mil, and we didn't even run, that's a piss take. A lot of man kept shape shifting, so we got the python, that's a big snake. 357. Yeezy boost. Cocaine season 1, but I jumped off the hype round season 2. Turned bread into fish and wine, and we got ice in the freezer too. When I come to your city, got 12 man with me trying to do it like Jesus do. Now what you say, You don't wanna see my disciples. Taliban scars and rifles. Ain't dealing no hope, got masks on their face, but you know they ain't holding no Bibles. Bro got one in his chest, little more to the left, and it would've been vital.
One to the chest. Come more to the left, it could have been vital. It could have dead.
Since then it's been madness. Injury list more long than the Eiffel. Christian Dior. I wore them once to my show. Now they ain't Chris anymore. I grab me a handful and dash till I can't grip anymore. God. Link that girl on a Sunday. She ain't Christian anymore. Said she ain't Christian anymore. Alexander McQueen. Only answer the phone for the paper. Hoes get answer machine. This clip looked like a trailer. Ops ain't last in the scene. Not one. I was 16, got banned from prom, so I danced with the fiends. Said I danced with the fiends.
Yo, Bumbleclot! Yo, dog! Oh, me just get this daily Duppy up on the... Well, a long time them tell me about it, that's my fault. Them tell me about this daily Duppy a long time and I never react. I just don't know why I never react. I'm sorry for not reacting to Teflon. I'm sorry, bro. Me not calling a young Teflon, a Teflon me call it, brother. Teflon your name, brother. Take out the young of your name, brother. You're experienced Teflon out here, brother. And your video is the first video who get them nice sound effects, yeah? Me think different over here, so me different. Charlie Slot style. Guys, that daily Duppy bad. That daily Duppy bad. Guys, this is how I'm gonna end the video, yeah. Oh my gosh. If you enjoy the reaction, yeah, please leave a like on the reaction. And please subscribe around there. If you're new, I appreciate you guys that as subscribe but still here with me. You understand? Big up on yourself. I appreciate you know. Teflon, big up your fucking self, dog. We're out. Yeah, bro.